Hello fabulous, I'm Emily, your Pinay expert in Malta, and welcome back to my channel. Hello my fabulous! In today's video, we're gonna look at my newly purchased Prada 𝓨𝓵𝓾 tote bag. Well, let's open up. So here it is. It's with a dust bag. So, sa totoo lang, my fabulous, hindi talaga to ang plano kong bilhin. My plan was to buy Gucci bag. But to make it short, and make story short, ito yung nabili ko. Kasi nga, may problema dun sa Gucci kasi ang haba ng pila. Late na kami nakarating sa place. Mall. So, ito, nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, I like that. Kasi it's simple and it's cool. So, let's say I changed my mind and I want to return the product. Yes, I can return it within 14 days of the date of purchase. And also, of course, with a receipt and in original condition and packaging. And you cannot just return it by post or courier. It must be returned directly to the store or to the shop. The bag has dimensions 24 centimeter in height, 11 centimeter length, and 30 centimeter width. And the strap length is 100 to 110 centimeter. And there's a metal lettering logo on the front, which I really love. The bag stands out for its sophisticated simplicity and is decorated with gold tone metal hardware. Now we'll see the inside of the bag. It has two-way zipper closure on top. See, and also there are two inside pockets, including one with zipper closure. And it is very spacious inside. You can see you can put a lot of stuffs inside, like women essentials, you know. And in fact, it has the authenticity of the bag with a small, cute envelope. Well, here's the receipt, but I'm not gonna show you. So here's the authenticity, and there's the certificate. Authenticity certificate card. Okay, so here Fabbies! Today we're gonna unbox Michael Kors. It's called a Dell logo smartphone wallet. Binili ko itong wallet na ito kasi sobrang mura lang niya talaga. And it is very practical. You know, it's you can just use it alone or you can put it in a tote bag, you know. And it's a smartphone wallet, but there is also a lot of compartment. Yeah, we will see. So I chose the one in signature logo. So here are the card slots, and also there are some pockets and phone holder. Of course, it's a smartphone wallet, but I think I can put a lot of things here, like some documents, even my passports fits in here. So guys, you can also remove this one. See, you can remove this strap and you can just use it as a normal wallet. But really, I got this not to use it every day kasi di talaga ako mahilig sa malaking wallet. This is perfect for travel. Let's say. So guys, I'm going to show you what I got here. It's a jacket. Guys, it's a leather jacket. It's a Ferrari. Look, Ferrari. How nice, like guys. So detail of the. It's nice, no? Oh, sweet. I like this style, and at the back, here is the back. It's sweet. Napaka-soft ng pagka-leather niya. Kaya nagustuhan ko siya. It's very comfortable. So the jacket has cute inner pockets, which I really like, because you know, when you want to put something like maybe you can put money, you can put it inside, so it's safe. I love the red detail of this jacket. It's really cool. Guys, so this is what I got from Ferrari. And here's another jacket, but it's a denim short lady jacket. It's Ferrari brand as well. And I love it. See the detail at the back, I like it. I really like the design of the jacket because it's so simple but stylish, and also the material is so soft, it's comfortable, and I think I'm gonna wear this frequently. It's gonna be my favorite denim jacket. The size of the jacket is small, so it's a perfect size on me. And it's stretchable and comfy. And has inner pockets. So, maganda din siya kasi safe din siya. Isa din to sa nagustuhan ko. So thank you so much, Fabs, for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to click the bell button to notify you on my next video. Take care, and I will see you. Mwah.